As we are seeing the visibility in the national capital hitting an abysmal low, we are seeing that this tragic incident has in fact taken place. We are right now at the very spot where the incident took place. We'll try to show you the visuals of the under construction water-filled basement where Yuvraj's car fell inside while he was in fact trying to come back to his home. This is the very place. You can clearly see that no boundaries have been erected. There is an open drain here at the area. His car is still inside this pit. And the authorities have still failed to recover the car from inside. What the people here are saying is that this is a lack of the people are in fact saying that this is a lack on the part of authorities, that they did not erect the boundary on time. And this is not the first time that an incident like this has happened here. Before also, a truck had fell inside this very pit and people had to rescue them. We have also spoken to the person who was there to rescue Yuvraj. He was inside his car and he was in fact alive for a good 4 hours, and he was trying to hold a torch so that people could locate him. Immediately after falling inside, he dropped a text to his father. He tried to call multiple people so that help could be provided to him. We are seeing the barricadings that can be seen here just outside the very construction site, which has been kept here in the past 24 hours after a 30-year-old young software engineer lost his life. We are being joined by the people from the society who will be holding a candlelight vigil today, a protest, to in fact make sure why the authorities did not do the due diligence while there was still time. We'll just go straight to them. Sir, आपका नाम?
शशांक।
सर, हम देख रहे हैं कि इस तरीके का इंसिडेंट हो चुका है और आप लोग का कहना है कि बहुत पहले से यहाँ पर ये समस्या थी जहाँ बाउंड्रीज नहीं रखे गए थे, और बार बार हम देखते हैं कि ठंड में कोहरे की वजह से लोगों के एक्सीडेंट्स यहाँ पर होते रहते हैं।
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो ये सिर्फ इस जगह का नहीं है, हालात हर जगह आप जाएंगी तो दोनों तरफ नालाज हैं। अगर आप हर रोड को देखेंगे, चाहे वो नोएडा है, ग्रेटर नोएडा है, और सामने जाएंगी तो आपको नाला खुले हुए मिलते हैं। लाइफ स्टॉक गिरता है, काउज, बफलोज। अब एक यंग बच्चा चला गया है, तो उसके लिए तो बहुत अफसोस है। लेकिन ये अथॉरिटी नहीं है, कोई ट्रैफिक कॉप नहीं होता, रॉन्ग साइड ड्राइविंग है, देयर आर सो मेनी इश्यूज।